What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We are at the gym right now, about to get in a lower body workout. So let's get in the gym. And I'm also gonna show you guys the muscle up with a real camera, not my phone. So let's get it. This is the fourth set. We started with one on each side as a warm up, and then I added two more, and then now we're doing four total. So let's get it.
Perfect.
Next, we got the leg press. All right, third set of deadlifts, here we go. Not too heavy, 35 pounds on each side, so let's get it. Yo, that looks nuts. All right, guys, lower body workout done. Let's get in a post-workout meal. You guys see the top of that mountain? That peak? We're gonna be hiking that soon, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for it. It's a fun one, 4,000 something feet, 4,600 feet, I think. All right, can you guys guess what my post-workout meal is? I'll give you 2 seconds to take a guess. 1, 2. Some good old oats with chia seeds, walnuts, and wild blueberries. So I had another post-workout meal that I didn't show, and that included mushrooms, garlic, and also a salad. And I'm probably gonna make a smoothie here soon, but you guys have seen multiple smoothies, so there's no need to show that here. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below. Do you guys wanna see more workout videos? Because I would love to film them, and they're fun to make as well. So if you guys wanna see more workout videos, let me know. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.